Work smarter and breathe cleaner with the Rutlands 10-speed air filter. Powered by a newly developed 200-watt motor, this advanced system silently recycles your workshop's air at up to 865 cubic meters per hour, removing even the finest dust particles from your environment. The dual-stage filtration system combines an electrostatic pre-filter with a high-efficiency pleated microfilter, capturing 98% of dust down to 5 microns and 86% down to just 1. That's finer than flour. With 10 adjustable airflow settings ranging from 425 to 865 cubic meters per hour, use the convenient remote control to select the speed that suits your task and set the built-in timer to keep the unit running after you've finished for the day. That way, it continues clearing the air even after you've packed up. Quietly powerful at just 50 to 60 decibels, even at full speed, it's perfect for any workshop, big or small, up to 150 cubic meters. Mount it overhead using the included chains, or place it high on a shelf. The Rutlands 10-speed air filter is your workshop's silent powerhouse, pulling dust from the air before it settles on your tools, your projects, and your lungs. Breathe better, work better.